Hello, today I want to show you how I installed LED light under the kitchen cabinets. This is what my kitchen looks like. I will start my work by taking measurements for the first LED profile. I decided that I would install it in the middle of the kitchen cabinets. Let's carry out calculations to find out the length of the first LED profile. Cut off the aluminum profile according to the previously calculated length and grind it. Next, we will need to make holes in the aluminum profile for electrical wiring. Measure the length of the plastic cover and cut off the length we need. After that, you can cut the plastic cover more precisely. Cut the required length of the LED strip. Put the switch in place in the LED profile and outline its sensor. Cut a hole for the sensor in the plastic cover and grind it. Let's stick double-sided mounting tape to the back of the aluminum profile. Attach the profile at the bottom of the cabinet according to the marks. I installed some kind of labels for the convenience and accuracy of installing the profile. Let's measure the next segment of the LED profile. Cut off the desired length and grind the end of the profile. After that, stick double-sided mounting tape on the profile and attach it in its place. Let's measure the next small segment of the profile. Cut off the profile and make holes for wiring. Let's measure the profile that will be located behind the cooker hood. Cut off the size we need and drill holes for the screws. Let's measure and cut off the plastic cover for the left corner profile. Also, measure and cut the plastic cover for a smaller profile. Next, we will measure and cut the remaining pieces of the LED strip. Now we can attach the small profile in its place under the cabinet. Then we can make all the necessary holes for the wiring. With electrical wiring, I will connect all segments of the LED strip. Now I need to remove the cooker hood to install the last LED profile. The space behind the cooker hood looks like this. Here I made 2 more holes for the wiring. I have installed the electrical wiring as follows. Some of the wiring will be hidden behind the cabinets. Mount the last aluminum profile. Let's start soldering the LED strip to the wires. Don't forget to orient the polarity correctly before soldering it on. Now we can attach the first piece of the LED strip to the aluminum profile. Close the aluminum profile with a plastic cover. Solder the next piece of LED strip. Attach the LED strip to the aluminum profile behind the cooker hood. Stick the next piece of LED strip to the left corner profile. Let's solder the last piece of the LED strip and stick it to the profile. Close the profile on the left corner of the kitchen with a plastic cover. And now we can return the cooker hood to its place. Let's lay the power supply wire to our LED strips. I decided to do it in the corner of the kitchen. Solder all the pieces of LED strips and the electrical wire to the sensor switch. Carefully close the last profile with the plastic cover. Next, wire the input cables of the power supply to your mains power. Make sure you have disconnected power. I attached the power supply under the cabinet above the refrigerator, but you can install it in a cabinet or some other place. Now we can connect the power supply to the sensor switch of the LED strip. Also, I want to show you that you can hide some parts of the electrical wiring under the skirting boards. To do this, cut the length we need and apply glue on the backside. Glue the skirting board on the top of the wire. Now our wiring is hidden and not visible. It is time to enjoy the result of our work. I also added some high-quality photos to this video. And this is what the LED light looks like from below. And a few more photos. In my opinion, the lighting is more than enough. Here I want to show you how the sensor switch works. Finally, I will show you how the dimmer function works in this switch. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to let me know. See you!